Alright, so we're getting ready to leave for Power Tour 2023. It is too early. It is too early. But it's alright, because Power Tour. Yeah. Trophies. It's our new one that we added yesterday. Yesterday being like 3 hours ago. It's cool. Alright, let's get into it. Okay. Power tour, let's go.
We made it to first day of Power Tour. Man, it's so fucking cool. So many sick cars, dude. So much cool shit. This is gonna be awesome. Oh yeah. Finally did it. We finally made it in. It's crazy here. It's crazy. So many cars, so much noise, so much stuff going on. We don't know where to go. It's awesome. Love it. So, first thing we decided to do was go check out some drag racing. Saw some cool cars, doing some pulls. This isn't all the footage I got. I just wanted to include a little bit. We'll include some more at the end. Do a whole drag race video maybe. I don't know. We'll see. When I said so many cool cars, I meant so many. This GT was out on track and everything, and it was just gorgeous. So to see it and, you know, actually get to see one in person and see it driving. After a little more looking around, we decided to go over and try some autocross in the Shelby. This is video from my last time around the little autocross track. It was the fastest out of the times we did, probably just because it was, you know, the third time and got a little more comfortable with driving it and everything. You know, really cool to be able to go out and do something like this in a car like that. It's kind of crazy. And the last real thing that happened on our first day was the parade laps around the track. You know, when you hear parade laps, you think they're going to be slow and everything, and yeah, they weren't full-out laps, but these cars were kind of going for it at points, and it was just really cool to see everybody out on track doing some cool laps and some cool cars that looked like they belonged there, belonged on the track and everything. On track. This one right here was my favorite car of the day, to be honest. 944 Turbo. Just cool to see a car that I have similar of out here doing stuff like this when the majority of them are big muscle cars and everything. It was really cool to see that little car out on the track doing some laps. A few more of the cool cars we saw here. Little R35 GTR and just stand stuff kind of cool because there wasn't a lot of Japanese stuff there. So seeing a GTR, seeing some Supras, then a little close up of this 944, and the other port that pulled up right next to him a little bit later. It's cool to see some representation from my, I guess, favorite type of cars in Euro and everything. Seeing that 944 and seeing the 911, it's cool seeing them out here. And yeah, that's how the first day of Power Tour went. Really cool. I'm gonna try to get a little more footage, do a little bit better edits and everything soon for the next few days. But yeah, leave you with this cool little plane car here, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.